Today I am so excited. I am bringing you 10 bra hacks that every woman needs to know. Now I am sick of gatekeeping these secrets. I use them all the time and I think it's time that we shared. So the hacks actually get better the longer that you watch this video, believe it or not. And the first one we are starting with is the racer back bra clip. Now you've seen all of those tank tops, you know, the ones that they're kicked in, they've got that racer back, they're super flattering. But you can't wear a normal bra with them because the bra straps show. And if you're anything like me, that really bugs me. If it doesn't bother you, then you don't need this. But how it works, and the reason I really like this one, is you can adjust it. Most of the ones that you see are the disc-shaped ones that are not adjustable. So you hook it to the back of your bra strap, like so, and it pulls in those straps. So it creates that racer back look, and you can wear your normal bra without having to go and buy a new bra or get a strapless bra. Now this is just made out of little plastic, it's clear, it is so inexpensive, and it really makes a difference. You don't have to go and buy a new bra. The next bra hack tool I have for you is the bra extender. Now these come in so many different colors and so many different widths. So it depends on how many hooks you have on the back of your bra. This one has 2, and it's a great little device if you've put a little bit of weight on, or you bought a bra and you tried one size and it was too big, but the size beneath was a little bit too small. That bra extender is just going to give you that little bit of space, that little bit of breathing room, so to speak, till that band stretches. And they just are this fantastic, nifty little tool. My next bra hack is the built-in bra tank top. Now this one is Lulu. Now I know Lulu is really expensive, but there are many different brands that do the same sort of thing. I do like Lululemon. The fabric is so soft. And it's great because, you know, again, I mentioned about those kicked-in straps. This one has the same thing, so I don't have to worry about a bra if I'm wearing this. Now, they class this as a sports bra. I would not want to do anything high impact in it, but going out and about on a day out, walking, it's absolutely great. And what you can see is this is the little bra piece inside, and it does have those removable pads in there, but guess what they've done? They've sewn them in place so they don't move, which is a win-win when it comes to these little removable pads. The next underwear hack I have for you are seamless underwear, seamless panties. If you've gone past the phase of wanting to wear a thong, I know I have, a little bit too much information. I love a seamless underwear because it doesn't show through when I wear my workout leggings or wear a tight trouser. Now, I love these because they are super stretchy, as you can see, and they come in so many different colors. And you still get that seam-free look without the thong. And if you're interested in any of these things, I've left links to them below. Now, you've seen those low-back tops and those low-back dresses, and you might be wondering how people look like they're wearing a bra, but their bra band is not showing. Well, this little thing is going to turn any bra into a low-back bra. Now, I did a TikTok on this, and it got over 1 million views. People were fascinated as to how this works. So what happens is you fasten this side to your bra band, and then you're going to fasten the other side to the other bra band, and then it fastens around the front and it pulls down the band of your bra so it's lower, so you can wear those low back tops and still wear your everyday bra. I feel like an air flight attendant. You wrap this around the front and fasten here like so. My next hack are nipple covers. Now, till I got here, I'd never heard of these things, and over the past few years I have learned a lot about these nipple covers. They are a big thing over here, and these are the adhesive nipple covers, so you can see they're stuck to me, and with these they are multi-use, and that's what's really good about them. As soon as you wash them, the sticky gets sticky again, and you can wear nipple covers if you don't want to wear a bra, or if you're wearing one of those unlined bras and you're going into cold environments and then going out in the hot and you're concerned about that, that's why you could get these little things, and they come in different shades and actually different sizes. This next hack is one of my favorites. I'm a little obsessed with boob tape. So what is boob tape? Boob tape is this fabric tape that has adhesive on the underside, and it's super stretchy. And it basically means you can manipulate your boobs into a shape, and you use the tape to do so. So you can have all different styles, different shapes, and it almost takes over from a strapless. So if you imagine you have one of those plunging dresses or tops at the front and you're like, I want some more lift, but I can't wear a bra, this is where the boob tape comes in. So it comes in all different widths and all different shades. And the number one question I get asked all the time is, will it work with my size? So the answer is, I actually taped somebody that was a 40O and it worked perfectly for them and held them in place. The only thing I would say is that you need to have your nipple covers or something protecting that delicate skin, because this stuff adheres to the skin. And the wetter you get, so if you're sweating and dancing, the more this is going to stick to you. So remember, when it comes to taking this off, please use an oil or a moisturizer or a lotion and let it soak in before you even attempt to take this off. These will save you an absolute fortune and save you going under the surgeon's knife. They are silicone inserts, and these are designed to add a cup size. So there's two different sizes depending on what size you want to go to, and all you do is you put them in your bra and it lifts your boobs and it just gives you a little bit more volume. And this one does exactly the same. These also work if you've got any kind of asymmetry or unevenness. You can just pop one of these into your bra and just even yourself out. This is my favorite, fashion tape. So this is double-sided tape. It used to be toupee tape and then they made it into fashion tape. And it's a catch-all for a lot of things. So if you've got something that's plunging, you can use fashion tape because it's double-sided, stick it on your skin, stick the clothing to it, and it won't move. The other thing you can use this for, you can actually use it for hemming if you've got a hem that's fallen down, or if you have one of those boat neck tops on and you've got a normal bra on and you want your bra to not, the straps not to show, you can just use a little bit of tape on the inside and stick your bra to your top and it'll stay in place. It is absolutely fantastic. I have a question for you. How do you put your bra on? Do you fasten it in the back or do you fasten it in the front and twist it round? I put a TikTok out and it currently has 9.7 million views about how to fasten your bra. Let me know in the comments below how you do it.